So remember that video? Remember that video before this one where the key synced? Remember I told you the key synced and the screws. Yep. I actually decided to put tape around it because I didn't want to get in the keyhole. So we're just gonna put that back right there. And these walkie-talkies are super good. And that's about it. But remember when I'm gonna dig out the key out of the slime? This is the video. Remember that computer 3? I'm just kidding. Wanna sing a song? I have to go back. Get out of the shot. Okay, so I'm gonna dig out the slime. So literally, I see the key! Dude, it's literally to the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the key. That's literally the key right there. Oh my god. Literally, look at these screws, man. I'm gonna dig out that key. Oh my god. It's like ripping something out of some person. Should I be a doctor when I grow up? Oh, be pleasant to be a doctor. Now I can undo my tape. And we can lock it and unlock it. Literally, did you see how deep that was? It was literally when your skin heals up. I don't know if you saw this like a splinter, but you don't get it out and you still see it under your skin. That's exactly what it looks like, but green. Oh, here's a screw. Has some little bit of slime on it. That's how you get it out. And let's get this other guy out. Oh, come on, buddy. And if there's any slime stuck to your screws, just literally push it back in, take it back out, and life hacks. I mean, like life hacks, right? The same goes with like a key or a lock. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Pretty much has to be metal though. I mean, if it was plastic, maybe it would work, but this like this stick on plastic or like wood. And do not put your wood in your slime. No, please don't. Literally, this is so cool. So I thought in that time-lapse video, some of the green slime would come out, but it synced. And then I just got tired, you know what? I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna send it to YouTube. And these were the screws that went into slime and still surviving. And literally, that was super cool. Like, I can't even do that with my hands. Like, bro. I put too much slime on it. Yeah. But, go get your stickiest slime. And let's unlock it. There we go. It's unlocked. What? But I want you guys to leave a like and subscribe so you can not miss any of the future videos. And I want you guys to leave a like and subscribe so you can see all the future videos. Because if you don't subscribe, you're not going to see the future videos. But, yeah, I got to show you guys something, though. I don't know if you ever did this. Oh, wrong code. I'm not telling you guys the code. I got to show you guys something. So, if you click on my videos or anyone else's videos, and if you click on it, you see this right there? I don't know if you saw. I really don't think you saw. So, if you click on this right here, which includes anyone, even if you don't even have a YouTube channel, like, no, even if you don't have YouTube videos, you can still click on it. Always click on that. And if you click on it, you go to here. And you can go to home. You can go to those. For some reason, it doesn't show my playlist. I can only show it on this iPad. Wah, wah, wah. Then I go to channels. It says I still can't do it. That's. Should I not be showing you guys this? Should I not? Well, my channel just got to 3 months. And if you're watching this over whatever. My channel just got to 3 months. I want you guys to leave a like and subscribe. If 3 months, that means 3 more subscribers. So leave a like and subscribe and 3 more likes of this on this video. Not 3 likes of forever.